Subscribe to the channel Techno Starters and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. This video is all about the review of Android 10 custom ROM for Xiaomi Mi A2 and the installation process. So in most part of the video, I don't need to speak. I will only speak wherever I need to. So in this video, I'm assuming that you already have your bootloader and critical partition unlocked. So to unlock the bootloader and critical partition, you can watch any video tutorial on YouTube, and note one thing. You can only unlock critical partition immediately after unlocking bootloader, or else you will have to relock and unlock the bootloader again. Here you can type Jasmine, which is the code name of Mi A2, or you can type Xiaomi Mi A2. So this is the second version of Android 10 ROM. First one was alpha and the second one is beta. So after the successful download, grab your phone and USB cable. So I think most of you guys know the other thing we're gonna need is minimal ADB and fast boot. You can download minimal ADB and fast boot from Google or using the link in description area. So if you have Windows 10, connect your phone via USB cable to the PC and make sure you have internet connection, and Windows 10 will automatically install the USB drivers required for your phone to connect in 1 minute or so. Okay, so before turning your mobile off, make sure you don't have it connected to charging or PC. Unplug the USB cable. Okay, so click on power off button in power menu and turn it on by pressing power and volume down key. Okay, so after successful boot, you will be able to see this MI bunny here. Oh, focus, come on. Focus. Okay, so now grab your USB cable and connect to the phone and other side to the PC. Okay, so here we have a Pixel Experience ROM zip file. You can place it wherever you want. Okay, so open the ADB and fastboot and click on CMD here. Okay, so now it's all set. Listen to me carefully and type fastboot space boot and space. Make sure you type one space after the boot. Okay, so now we have to drag and drop the twrp file here. So after dragging and dropping the file here, press enter and your phone will boot into twrp recovery. So as you guys know, this is the twrp recovery. This is not permanently installed, it's just temporarily booted. Okay, so now we have to wipe everything. So swipe to factory reset, go back. Now format data and type yes. Go back, advanced wipe, select everything and wipe. Go back. Okay, so click on reboot and you can see your current slot is A. Okay, so our current slot is A and we already wiped everything on slot A. So now we need to wipe everything on slot B. So click on slot B and it shows current slot B, but it isn't slot B yet. For changing the slot properly, we need to click on bootloader, swipe, and we need to boot the twrp again. Only then it will be successfully booted into slot B. So just as we did before, type fastboot boot space boot space and drag and drop the twrp file again. And then press enter. Okay, so now our slot is B officially and we need to wipe it. Like we did on slot A, we need to wipe everything. Okay, after both of your slots are wiped clean, go to the advanced option and then click on ADB side load. Swipe to start. So it doesn't matter if your current slot was A or it was B, we just need to clean the both slots and we can install the ROM on any slot. To understand it easily, just think of as it was two partitions, local disk C and local disk D. Same is with slot A and slot B. So now type ADB space sideload space and now drag and drop the ROM file pixel experience android 10 ROM. Drag and drop it here. Okay, so now I have some time to explain the process to you guys. So slot A and slot B are nothing but two partitions like local disk C and local disk B. So here is one tricky thing. If you are currently booted into slot A or slot B, your ROM will install on the opposite slot. Like if you are booted into slot A, your ROM will be installed on slot B, and if you are booted on slot B, your ROM will be installed on slot A. So listen to me carefully, and let's suppose your current slot was A or B anything. So okay, so let's suppose it was A and you are installing the ROM. So as I told you before, the ROM will install on the opposite slot. So in this case, which is B. So let's suppose you're successfully installed the ROM and now you're gonna restart. Now you cannot just simply restart because you are in slot A and the ROM is installed in the opposite slot B. So you need to change the current slot to the opposite slot B so that your phone can successfully reboot. And I think you got it. Same is with the opposite thing, like if your current slot is B, then your ROM will be installed on slot A. So you need to change the slot to A before the reboot so that your phone can successfully boot. So okay, from this part you can just fast forward the video. It will take a lot of time installing. I was unable to fast forward because I added my voice first, and it is very hard to edit the video after you add the voice. Okay, so now a ROM is installed successfully. You can see total X for 1.00x. So let's grab our phone and remember the thing I told you. We need to change the slot. Okay, so change the slot. If your current slot is A, change it to B, and if it's B, change it to A. Okay, so now you just need to power off the system. It will say no OS installed, but it's okay. It is installed. The TWRP recovery just doesn't know it. Okay, so don't panic. First boot can take a lot of time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set it up. You can fast forward this part too if you want. Okay guys, so now the phone is all set, and now I'm going to show you the features and important things this ROM has. So Google promised that in the later versions of Android 10, some features like live captions on any video Doesn't matter it's online or offline, hearing aids and some other features will be coming. They are not available yet, but still this ROM has some good features. So as always, there is a game hidden in this Android 10 logo. I don't know how to launch it yet. So let's just try to figure it out. If I ever figure it out, I will put it in the video. In this video, I mean. Okay, so I'm using this ROM for 3 weeks now and I think I know all the features it has. So some of the cool features are like quick replies, suggestions and the new gestures. These two things make the ROM feel pretty fast. Navigation gestures are my favorite. To go back you can pull pull from the both sides, I mean from the left or right, it doesn't matter, but the right side is more convenient. And yes, I finally got this game. So what you have to do is place 0 on the left side and place 1 on the right side and press both of them with two fingers and make it a Q. Once you place it in near the center, it will auto adjust to Q. So now you have to just tap it 3 or 4 times to launch the game. Okay, so this is the game that comes with Android 10. I don't know how to play it. I have never played it before. Maybe you know it, like maybe Sudoku or something. And don't forget to watch the video till the end, because if I found something useful, I will keep adding it on the ending side. Okay, so as you can see, the security patch level of this ROM was September 5, 2019, and now you can update the whole ROM. I mean the whole ROM with using the Google Play Store. So one more thing, surprisingly, there is a APK available by XDA for Pixel 4 live wallpapers. Yes, these are original wallpapers for Pixel 4 and they only work on Android 10. I will leave the link in the description for these live wallpapers APK. Google Pixel 3's camera works perfectly on this ROM. I will include the Google camera part in the end of the video, so keep watching. So this ROM comes with simple camera app, but you can install Google Pixel 3's camera on it, as I told you before. The link will be in the description. Thankfully this ROM comes with camera to API enabled. So making this video was quite a bit hassle. It took me like 3 days to make this video. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. In future I will be coming with some new videos for MI TVs and all Android TVs, including custom ROMs for Xiaomi Mi A2, Redmi Note 4 and other some of the other popular mobile phones. So if you have Android TV or you wanna use custom ROMs, must subscribe to the channel. Now I will be quiet and you can keep watching the video if you wanna see some more features of this ROM. So once again guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.